Okay. So already we have discussed about the small introduction about Python. What is Python? So how to install the Python? Can you hear my voice properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So how to install the Python? Then what are the manner you can able to develop the program with the help of Python editor? There are two methods. One is interactive mode, another one is scripting mode. If you go for the interactive mode means immediately you can able to get the result whenever type a line. Okay, the Python is purely based on interpreter. And if you want to develop the program as a script, so that scenario you go to the Python, just you can type uh, the entire program. After that the file should be saved as the extension of .py. Then you can run the Python program, you can able to get the result. So this is another way of executing the Python. Then our discussion is based on character set, then token. Under the token, we have so many topics are there. The first topic keyword, second one is literal, and identifier. Then we discuss about the operator. Okay, so the operator means it is defined as a symbol that are used to perform operations on operand. Is nothing but call it as an operator. Okay, then there are so many operator available in Python. I have mentioned few here. The first operator is arithmetic operator. So you know very well about that. The operator, arithmetic operator means which helps to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then division with the fraction, division without fraction, and power calculation. Okay, then you can able to find out the remainder. Okay, remainder during the division. Okay, so there are uh, so many operator available here. Here I have mentioned all the operator. Already it was executed. Suppose if we want to apply the addition operation, the example is 5 plus 4 9. Subtraction means 5 minus 4 1. So directly you can able to use the value also. Instead of using that value, first you can get the value, first value, second value, then you can add the value. After that you can able to print. So like this manner also possible to write the program. Then 5 minus 4, 2 into 3, 10 slash 2, 5 double slash 2. Then another example is 2 power. Power means the power operator is double star. 2 power 3, 8. Then 5 modulo 2. The remainder is 1. Okay, so this is arithmetic operator. This is example for the arithmetic operator. So what are arithmetic operator? If the question is like that means just you can write addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Division we can able to perform in three manner. One for the quotient is the result of the quotient is purely based on fractional number. The result of the quotient is purely based on whole number, and you can able to print the remainder. Okay, remainder during the division. So slash, double slash, percentage symbol. The percentage symbol is called it as an modulo operator or remainder operator. Okay, then if you want to do the power calculation, you can use the double star for the power calculation. So this is nothing but call it as an arithmetic operator. So if you have any doubt from this arithmetic operator.
No, ma'am.
Oh, so then we go for relational operator. Okay, so whenever you are using the relational operator, which helps to compare the values. Okay, so if you want to compare the value, you go for the relational operator. So here I have mentioned few relational operator: double equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal. So not equal can able to define in several manner. That means you can able to use the hanger bracket. Then you can specify the not equal operator. And equal, triple equal also is there. That operator I have not mentioned here. So first you should know this all those operator, and a equal operator helps to the both values are equal or not. If it is equal means it will be written true, otherwise false. A not equal to B means if it is not equal, it will print the it return the value. Otherwise, it return the true. Otherwise, it return false. If A is greater than B means A is greater. Okay, if it is true means otherwise A is not greater. Okay, then it can possible to give the two solution or one solution for a given problem. Suppose if you want to write a program whether the check the given number is greater, it means you can able to give only one solution: a is greater than b, a is greater, that's all. Suppose whether check the given number is greater or not. Okay, so this scenario, you have two solution for a given problem. One is A is greater and another one is A is not greater. Okay, so in that scenario, you can possibly use the relational operator. A greater than or equal to B means A is greater than or equal to B. It will return like that. Otherwise, B is greater than or equal to A. Sorry, B is greater than. So like this manner, you can able to use less than or equal to. Okay, so this is relational operator. Are you clear this one? Suppose if you want to compare two value 5 and 10, A equal to 5, assume that B equal to 10. Which one is higher?
B.
A equal to 5 and B equal to 10. You are comparing A and B. A is greater than B. If A is greater than B,
No, ma'am.
No, B.
because B is greater here. In this scenario, B is greater. So if you want to find out the solution like that, you go for the relational operator whenever the condition is applied. Okay. So for example, the session start at 7 o'clock. Okay. So this is the starting time and the end time of the session is 8. Whenever you are joining at 7 o'clock, you can possible to attend the class. Suppose you are joined at 8 20, 8:30, 9 o'clock means it does not happen because the time is fixed in a particular slot. Then only you can able to apply. So like this scenario, you can possible to apply this relational operator. Wherever you are applying the condition, that situation you can able to apply the relational operator. Very clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next assignment operator. Assignment operator means, so here I have mentioned so many things. So the basic definition of the assignment operator is a value assigned into the variable. So this is first one. So that means A equal to 10. Here 10 is value and the value is assigned into A. Okay, so this is one point. Next point, variable can be assigned into variable. A equal to B. Okay, A equal to B, B equal to some other value. You have used B equal to 5, like that. Okay, then A equal to A plus B. So I have given only one example here. So that means you can possible to assign a value or variable or expression. It's nothing but call it as an assignment operator. Are you clear this one? So here I have equal as a assignment operator which helps to assign a value or variable or expression. Okay, so that is nothing but call it as an assignment operator. So in Python, if you are using plus equal to, slash equal to, multiplication equal to, minus equal to, percentage equal to, again slash, double slash equal to, double star equal to. If you are using in other language, which is call it as an unary operator. Okay, so in Python, so it is called it as an assignment operator. So A plus equal to B means A equal to A plus B. Okay, so the meaning of this is A plus equal to B means A equal to A plus B. A equal to A slash B. A equal to A multiply with B. A equal to A minus B. A equal to A modulo B. A equal to A double slash B. A equal to A double star B. So you can able to return instead of return like that. It is a simple formation of returning the expression. Okay. So this is the introduction about assignment operator. So you have to reminder one thing on your mind. Assignment operator means you can possible to assign a value or variable or expression. Okay, so that is nothing but call it as an assignment operator. Then logical operator.
Ma'am,
So, yes,
ma'am, the last one, A double star is equals to B. It is a
yes,
power, right, ma'am? Then how
yes.
will it will take, ma'am?
So A equal to A to the power B. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fine.
See, next one, logical operator. Logical operator means if we have one or more condition. Okay, so here the meaning of the logical operator will operate based on and or not. So where are you heard about this word and or not? And or not?
A relational operator, no?
No. In relational operator, not is there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, somebody is told that logic gate. Very good. Okay. So in DLF, design that is digital logical fundamental. So one of the subject is there. In that subject, it is electronic subject. It like a electronic subject. In that subject, so some logic gates are there. The basic logic gates are and or not. Okay, so and means we have a truth table. I will tell you. So we have a truth table. Assume that you have two input. The two inputs are 0 0 0 0 means false, false, false. False, false means you can able to get the result false. Suppose if you are taken an input, one is false, another one is true, means also false in AND gate. Okay, then if it is true, but another input is false, means again false. Whenever both the inputs are true, then only it is true, otherwise not true. So this is the explanation of the AND. Okay. So the truth table of and is defined like that. I will type you and show you later. Just you note down the truth table of and is whenever the both conditions are true. So then only it is true. Otherwise, the condition is not true. So whatever the suppose one condition is true, another condition is not true. So for example, A equal to 10, B equal to then 15, C equal to 5. Assume that. Okay, A is 10 less than B is 15. The condition is true. B is 15, A is 10. 10 less than 15. This condition is true. A less than B condition is true. Go to here. The value of A is 10, but the value of C is 5. If the value of C is 5 means the entire condition is false. The entire condition is false whenever you are using and. Okay. So and can be used in different manner. You can able to type the word and. Instead of and, you can able to use two ampersand symbol for and. So this is explanation of and. If it is or means if both the conditions are false, it become false. If any one condition is true, it become true. Both the conditions are true, it become true. So this is nothing but call it as an or. Suppose you are taken A less than B. This is actual condition. Whenever put not means definitely A is not less than the B. So this is the meaning of this statement. Okay. So if you want to ulta, you can put not. Okay. So A less than B is a normal condition. Suppose A is not less than B means before that you can put not. So this scenario you can able to combine the number of condition in a single line. So you know the difference between relational operator and then logical operator. In relational operator, at a time you can check only one condition. Okay, whether A is less than B or not. Check whether A is less than B or not. So this is the condition. Okay. So if the condition is true, A is lesser. Otherwise, the A is not lesser. That's all. You can able to use a single condition whenever you are using relational operator. But if you are using logical operator, you can able to combine the number of conditions in a single statement. Okay, it helps to perform logical operations. So this is nothing but call it as an logical operator. Or you clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. So this is a bitwise operator. So again, the same will be repeated. So the bitwise operator, the first one is tilde operator. So this is tilde. Okay, the symbol is called as tilde. It helps to print the one's complement value. Okay, one's complement value. So that means, for example, you have a binary representation. Whatever the value you have taken by you, it will be converted as bit first. Then suppose your input is 1, assume that the equivalent binary value of the input is 001. Okay, so if you want to take one's complement of 1 means wherever 0 is occur, the 0 become a 1 and 1 become a 0. So this is nothing but call it as an one's complement. Okay, if you are given an input 001 means the output is 110. Wherever you are putting 0, the 0 become 1 and 1 becomes 0. It is nothing but call it as an one's complement. If you want to get the result like that, you go for the tilde operator for a given value. Okay, so this is for one's complement. So this is first operator. And the second operator is AND operator. You know the difference between the logical and then bitwise AND. Logical AND means it will be consider the entire value then compare. Okay, so the bitwise AND means first it will be convert into binary form, then it will be checked bit by bit. Okay, so if you want to mask the value, okay, if you want to mask the value, so that scenario you go for the bitwise operator. Suppose if you want to send a password to your friend with masking, okay, so that scenario you have not sent actual data to your friend, you are applying bitwise and then you are getting a mask value, then you are forward that mask value to your friend. So that scenario you go for the bitwise operator. So likewise, the bitwise RS helps to clear the bit. Okay, help to clear the bit. So that scenario already buffer have some value. If you want to clear the value, so that scenario you go for the bitwise operator. Okay, so mostly which helps to write the system side program. Okay, suppose if you want to develop a keyboard, okay, your own keyboard for typing purpose, so that scenario the bitwise operator will helps a lot. So similarly the bitwise XOR also acted. XOR means it is also acted with the help of the truth table. So the suppose you have two input value A and B means whenever you are applying the XOR operation, uh, the equation is a b bar plus a bar b. So that means if both values are false means it is false. If both values are true means it is false. If any one value is true means it is true. So this is the operation of XOR. Then shift left. Suppose if you want to move uh, your bit in one position or two position or three position. So for example, 0011. So this is your given input. Assume that 0011 means the decimal value of this binary value is 3. Okay. So that means 0 means 000. It is 3-bit representation. 4-bit representation means you have to put 4. 0 means 0000. So because the computer is based on bitwise representation only. So how many bits is used in our computer? Bits are byte. So each and every computer has a computer is designed how many bytes you have used in your computer. Okay, 64-bit. Very good. Either you are using 64-bit and old one 32-bit. Whenever I was studying my PG, so that time most of the computer have only 16-bit representation or 8-bit representation. Okay, so that's why it is purely based on bit only. If you want to move a bit in one position left and one position right, okay, what is the necessity of doing this means uh, you know the computer just you are giving the plus operator you can achieve the addition, then you are doing multiplication operation, then you can get the result, but what is really happening the inside scenario is very different. Okay, so that is another subject, don't go deeply. Whatever the example I have given here, so the 4-bit representation means 0 means 40, then 1 means 001, 2 means 0010, 3 means 0011. Okay, so this is your input. Assume that. If you want to move all the bit one position in left side means just you can move the bit. The 0 will be 0011. So left side means you can move. Left side means so the ones is getting out. Then next one moved into the first position. Then another 0 is moved into the second position. Another 0 is moved into third position. And fourth position, there is no value. By default, you are putting 0. So whenever you are applying the left shift means the result of 001 is 11 is 0001. If it is right shift means the result of right shift in one position is okay 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the result of shift left and then shift right. So I have mentioned moving two position in left and moving two position in right. So this is position. How many position you want to be moved your bit for a given value? Okay, so this is nothing but qualification shift left and then shift right. So we have any doubt from this bitwise operator? Then membership operator. The membership operator in Python are used to validate whether a value is found within a sequence such as string, list, or tuples. So here you have a list of values. If you want to find a particular value is available in a given list or not. If it is in means the value is available in a list. Not in means the value not available in a list. So in that scenario, if you want to implement this program, okay, with the help of in and a not operator. So it is not available in other languages. In other languages, it will take
Not audible, ma'am. Ma'am,
I have not muted ma.
now only
Ma'am,
your
you are
voice.
not audible.
Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have received a call from my phone, so that's why I think in my laptop, I don't know, morning I have executed so many programs, so the audio is disabled. I am unable to find out. So that's why I'm using the mobile phone. Okay. Suppose my voice is not audible, then you tell me. Okay. So see here, this is membership operator, which helps to find the given value is available in a list or not. Okay. If the value is available in a list, okay, in a list means you can use in operator. The value is not available in a list means you can use the not in operator. So if you want to achieve this type of program in other languages, definitely, so you have to apply some method for getting the result. The method may be a linear search. The method may be a binary search. Okay, so definitely hardly it has 15 to 20 lines program. Okay, so but in Python you can easily achieve with the help of in, not in. Okay, so for example, a equal to 22. It is a searching element, and list. So list means the sequence of elements. That means a collection of elements arranged one by one. It is separated by comma. All the elements occur within the index bracket. So we will discuss later about the list. But if you want to define a list, the list is defined like that. So whether the 22 is available in a list or not. So here one expression is there, A in list. The 22 is available in a list. Yes, the 22 is available in a list. So the result is displayed as true. Okay. Suppose A not in list. You have used another number. Assume that A not in list means, so definitely it is false because the 22 is available in a list. Whenever you are using this, A not in list means A not in list means it is also become true. Sorry, it is also become true because 22 not in list means it is false. Sorry, it is false. A is 22 not in list. So the 22 is available in a list. The result is false. So that's why the output is given here. One is true, another one is false. Are you clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So wait just a minute. I have scheduled one more program. I inform them. 1 minute. That's why the people are calling so many times. Thank you so much. The next operator is identity operator. Okay. So it is used to compare the memory location of the variable. Okay. This is also another feature which is available in Python. Okay. It is not available in other languages. So what is the purpose of using identity operator means? For example, the value of A is 10, the value of B is 20. So the both variable have a different value means the Python allocate different memory location for the variable. So for example, A equal to 10, B also equal to 10. Assume that. Okay. So the Python is not create the separate memory space for A and B. It will be refer a single location. Okay, the 10 is assigned into a particular location. The location will be referred by two variable. One is A, another one is B. Okay, so this is the features available in a Python. So if you want to find out whether the both variables are using the same location or different location, if you want to find out, so that scenario you go for identity operator. There are two operator available here. One is, another one is not is not. Okay. A is B. A is B means, so the both are referred to the same object. Okay, both are referred to the same object means A is B. So both are is not referred to the same object means A is not B. Okay, so this is identity operator. If you have any doubt, this one. If you have any doubt, okay. So next, unary operator. It require one operand to operator. Already this was discussed um, in assignment operator. You can able to use in different manner. Okay. So the unary operator means a plus equal to then 1, a equal to a plus 1. That means in equation has two value. One is noted as L value, another one is denoted as R value. Okay, whatever the variable or value available in right side of the equal operator is nothing but call it as an R value. In left side of the equal operator is nothing but call it as an L value. So most of the L value are output variable. Okay, most of the R variables are called as input variable. Okay, input variable. So here I have given one example, A equal to 10. 10 is input and A is output. Okay, assume that if you are using, if you want to perform the expression A equal to uh, A plus 1. Okay, A equal to A plus 1. So you must be get the input value A, then it will be incremented by 1. After that, it will be assigned into the same variable. Okay, the expression is referred like that. So that is nothing but call it as an unary operator. Then last operator is punctuator and delimiter. So this all the operator can possible to use in Python. Okay, it is a special symbol of the Python. The few symbol only I have mentioned here. There are so many symbol have used. Depends on the situation. I will tell you later. Okay, so this is small introduction about the operator. If you have any doubt, this then I go for variable. Okay, so variable means it is a container. So how you are define the name of the variable means with the help of identifier you can able to give the name of the variable. Okay, it is a named location that refer to a value. Okay, so the values are processed during the runtime of the program. So here I have given example. So kindly note the example. Num is a variable. Okay, num is a variable. The value of the variable is 5. So the 5 will be assigned into num. Suppose if you want to print the address of the variable. If you want to print the address of the variable means ID of, then you can specify the variable name. So this is address. I have given example. Actual address is displayed in different manner. Okay, this is example. Then name equal to Python. So initially I am assigning integer value to the variable. So this is one example. Then I am assigning string into name. Okay, then if you want to find out the address of the name means you can use the function id of name, then you can able to get the address. Okay, and few more example also I have given here. A equal to 10. Okay, B equal to A. Both B and A have the same value. Again, if you want to print A and B, just you can type A. Simply you can type A, then you can type B. The value will be displayed on the screen. Then if you want to find out the memory uh, uh, location, okay, if you want to find out the location of the variable, ID of A is 101, ID of B also 101, because the A and B has same value. Okay, then suppose you are changing the A equal to 20. Assume that if you want to find out the memory value ID of A, then it will assign another memory location for A. Okay, in the early case, the both variable values are same. But after that, you are changing the value of A. Whenever you are changing the value of A, the location of the A will be different. Okay, so this is a small introduction about variable. So what is we mean by variable? If they are asking the question like that, means it is a container, it is a named location that refer to a value. The value may be a number, the value may be a string, the value may be a float. Okay, so whatever the special character, the value may be a list, the value may be a complex number, the value may be a special number. Okay, then value may be a Boolean, the value may be a tuple, the value may be a dictionary. So that is anything you can able to assign into the variable. Are you clear this one? Whatever the data type you have, all the data type value will be assigned into the variable. Are you clear this one? Variable. Okay, next one, constant. Constant means, so there is a small difference between other language in Python. In other language, the constant means, and one more definition also is there for the variable. A value does change during the execution of the program. Whenever you execute the program, in the first execution, you can able to assign one value. In the second execution, uh, you may use the different value for the same variable. So like this manner, you can able to change the value of the variable during the execution. But if it is constant means the value does not change during the execution of the program. Okay, the value is assigned during the compilation time. So that is nothing but call it as a constant. But in Python, the general constant is called it as a constant. The value of the pi is 3.14. It is common for all. It is not changing case to case. So whatever the constant is common for all, that constant is nothing but call it as a constant here. Okay, so this is constant. Then data type. So this is very important. We have a primary data type and also the complex data type. So the primary data type or numeric data type, Boolean, okay, and then sequence type. In sequence type, uh, um, we have string, okay, and the numeric means integer and float, complex number, and Boolean is a primary type, and sequence type and the string is a primary type of the Python. And the Python has complex data type also. The complex data types are dictionary, set, list, tuple. Okay, so somebody is called tuple. So that is your wish. Then this is nothing but call it as a data type. Are you clear this one? So this is overview of the data type in Python. But it has two category. One is primary data type and another one is complex data type. In primary data type are numeric, Boolean, string. Okay. Then complex data type are dictionary, set, list, tuple. Okay, so this is called as a data type. First, you should know very well about that. What is mean by data type? Data type means it specify which type of value a variable can store. Okay, so you have a variable, but you have to decide on what type of value you are going to be stored. So that time definitely we need a data type. So here, as I told already, I have mentioned the data type here: number, string, boolean, none, list, tuple, set, range, dictionary. So those are called it as an data type. So what is mean by number? Number, we know very well about that. It may be a fractional number or integer number. Integer means the whole number will be assigned into the variable. Okay. Then a equal to int of b. So in Python, whatever the value you are assigned, that is into the variable. Okay. So why I am using integer here? Integer here. So already the integer value will be assigned into b. Okay, the integer value only assigned into the b. Then the b will be assigned into a. After that, if you want to find out the type of a, then type of a class int. So this is the output of the type of a function. So if you want to find out the type of the variable, you can use the type function for finding the type of the particular variable. The output is using this format. Using the angle bracket, first it will be specify the class. After that, it will be specify the data type with the single quotes. Okay, this is the format used for displaying the type. So similarly, b equal to 4.5, then type of b is float. So this is data type introduction. Then string complex boolean I have given here. String means the value occur within a single quotes, then type of yes. Then this is an output. Similarly, the complex variable is passed into the type function. It will print the complex. And boolean means you are checking the condition I less than k, I equal to 10 and k equal to 5. Assume that in that scenario, so it will print true or false value. So what is the base type of b means? It is based on boolean data type. Okay, so this is example for the data type. Then we go for list. Okay, so today our discussion is purely based on operator. And next I am discussing about variable. Then I am discussing about data type. Okay. So as I told already, b equal to 10. If you want to find out the data type of b, just you can type b. It will be display the data type of b. So like this manner, you can able to find out the result. And if you want to display the address of b, just you can give like that. It will be display the address. So this is memory address. The example is given there. Okay. Suppose you are assigning the value for a also 10. Okay, a also 10. If you want to print the memory space, memory value, memory location value, id of a, the same will be repeated. Suppose currently you are assigning 15 for a. Again, if you want to check the memory of a, it will be different definitely, because the current value of a is 15. So see here, the address is different. Okay. And if you want to, this is for the data type as well as the variable. Or you clear this one. This is example for the variables. Then you can able to assign any string for a. Suppose if we want to get the type of a, so the currently a is string str. So like this manner you can practice the basics. Okay. Then relational operator means, yes.
What is the why the a when the data value of a is equal to 15, then this is number is changed, means what is that I didn't understood.
So initially you have value of 10 for a. Okay. For example, you have 10 rupees. Okay, for example, you have 10 rupees. How much you have?
10.
Your mama give 5 rupees. How much you have currently?
15.
Yes. So whatever the value recently assigned, that value only taken for a. Are you clear this one?
Okay.
Initially a equal to 10. Okay, then I am changing the value of a. A may be a 15. So the current value only displayed on a screen and earlier value is erased from the system.
Okay.
Because only one memory space is allocated for A. So first time it has 10, second time it has 15, third time it is changed as string. The value of the A is GG, not number.
Okay, but when we have to check what was the earlier value, then how we can check?
So not possible to check. Once you are changing the value of the variable, the current value is maintained by the system. Suppose if you want to store all the value one by one, you have to apply some mechanism. So you develop one document file, you develop one text file, you can able to develop one PDF file. Every time the PDF file will be updated. So like this manner, you can maintain your all the data value with the help of file mechanism. So that is also I will teach you later. So it is available in our syllabus. I will tell you how you can maintain your past data.
Okay.
Okay, in variable, at a time you can able to store only one value. So whatever the current value is available for the value is maintained. That's all.
Okay.
So that's why a value does change during the execution of the program. Whenever you execute the program, so that time you can possible to change the value. Suppose if you are using constant a equal to 3.1, I mentioned one example. If you are using constant, the constant never change. General constant.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is example program I have given here, and if you need any example, I will show you. So anyone can ask. Suppose if you want to check the relational operator.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
for the immutable types like integer, string tuples, and then the Python creates a new object every time the value changes, right?
Yes. Yes.
And for the mutable,
But
like mutable types like list, set, dictionary, and all that, the object can be
yes.
modified with yes, creating a new one.
Yes, creating new one, but the complex data type I have not taken. No, our discussion is purely based on variable.
Okay, so generally the immutable types like integer, string, or tuple, like when we
Yes,
can change the value, the object is automatically created, the new object. Yes.
yes, yes.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
tuple is
Thank you.
purely based on immutable, and list is based on mutable. With the help of list only, you can able to apply the operation on tuple.
Yeah, ma'am.
So,
Thank
for
you.
example, the result is declared by the university. It is not possible to change the result. Once it is declared, that's all. So that time you can
Yeah.
possibly use the tuple.
Yeah. We can't change it, right?
Yes, a list means
Yeah.
those who have opted the elective subject. You are making your own list. You can able to add, you can able to delete.
Yeah, that
You can,
comes under the mutable types. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I will teach in the next class. Then see here, this is relational operator. A equal to 10, B equal to 5, and A greater than B. So A is greater than B, the result is true, will be displayed on a screen. Okay. So if you want to apply the logical operator, so this scenario we need one more variable is 12C equal to 12. Then you can develop the condition A is greater than B, and also A is greater than C. Okay. So whenever so instead of I'm using, wait just a minute, I am applying the special character here, so that's why it has a syntax error. Then you can type and, okay. And if you are using Jupyter Google Colab, it will accept. Okay. So A greater than B and A greater than C, the result is false because C is greater than A. So that's why the result is false. Or you clear this one. So like this manner, suppose if we want to, this is 3. I told you no shift right in one position. What is the value of binary value of 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. So whenever if you want to move shift in one position, so definitely it is 1. Am I right? This is your input. If you want to shift to one position, so what is the result means? 0, 0, 0, 1 to the left. So that's why the result is 1. Are you clear this one, bitwise operator? So like this manner you can execute all the examples. Okay, I shared the PPT to you. Then unary operator already I have taken in assignment operator. Just you can refer that unary operator. Okay. Then you can execute once all the programs. I will share the document to you. Shall I ask the question?
Yes, ma'am.
The A and B both have same values. Is Python using different location for A and B or the same location?
Same location.
Same location, ma'am.
Same
Is
location.
same location. Okay. Then what are relational operator?
Relational operator, also known as comparison operator.
Hmm. Then comparison operator. Then give an example for the relational operator.
Equals to, not equals to, greater than, lesser
So
than,
greater than or equal to.
greater than equals
Not
to,
equal.
lesser than
Okay.
equals to.
Okay. So what is mean by membership operator?
In or not in.
In or not in. What is the purpose of using member operator? What is the purpose of using member operator?
We used to validate the value within the sequence.
Yes, very good. Then what are identity operator?
Is not.
Is not good. Then go through this PPT up to basic data type. Okay, and also I have given a few example based on the string. Okay, the string examples are not detailedly discussed in the last class. I have given few example, kindly practice that example. You know the difference between and how you are using the string in different manner. So definitely it will help. Okay, definitely it will help. Refer this PPT. So if you have any doubt, please ask me.
Share the PPT in chat.
Yes, it is in chat.
Mm,
It is loading. Why it take much time? So it is a bigger PPT, so that's why. I hope up to this you have no doubt. Then you are also follow the material and you have to practice. So you can download from the chat. Download the PPT, then keep it with you. Then we'll discuss in the next class. And next class, I am going to take lab exercise. Everyone open either online editor or if you have Python in your system, you can able to use the Python. Or if you have no system, you have only the mobile phone means you go to the Google, then open a Python online editor. Initially, there is no need of the system. The online editor is enough for the discussion. So you can open the online editor, then execute the program. So whatever the program we have discussed here.
In this application, this IDLE Python 3.1 for last class you told I have downloaded that.
Yes.
Installed app.
Yes. So whenever if you want to execute, just you can open IDLE. And one more also is there, shell. So it is named as Python console. Python console also you can execute, but you can use IDLE. It would be better.
IDLE I have installed.
Install in your
Yes.
system.
Yes.
Okay, you can.
But I'm unable to, since not from the technical background, I am unable to correlate the practical use of this Python in the real world.
Yes, definitely it is very much useful for us because if you want to get insight, knowledge, and if you want to create a recommended system like thank you so much everyone. If you want to create a recommended system like Swiggy, if you are order food today one biryani and next week it will give offer for you for buying the biryani. If you want to develop like this application with the help of Python, you can. The
This
Python
application can be developed.
can possible to uh, web services, any type of application, traditional application, any type of application with the help of Python, you can implement.
Okay.
In our
Means like
table, it
like
give the
Java. Like Java, Python, with the help of Python, we can develop web application also.
Python, you can develop a normal application and web application, then machine learning application, deep learning application, generative AI application. So you can able to develop any application. So I will show you in the next class how to develop the uh, a conversational AI chatbot and everything. I will show you the example. So you can
Okay, ma'am.
develop any type of application.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose if you are struggling to execute the Python program, you can share your screen, then show me. I will help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.